And I try to walk away, but I keep telling myself she's the one for me. 'Cause her love is so contagious, it keeps holding me in. We were meant to be, and I can't leave her, so right back in the water. Why am I getting static? What's that? Another one of us. 'Cause I try to walk away, but I keep telling myself she's the one for me. 'Cause her love is so contagious, it keeps pulling me in. We were meant to be, and I can't leave her.
I tried asking her. Like I was doing my homework and like I'm doing the concert. That was